I went to Tribeca X, which is part of the Tribeca Film Festival, and I saw a guy named Dave Penske. He's the CEO of Publicist Media, and he spoke about their most recent holiday campaign for Publicis Group, which is a massive holding company. They have, I think, they're one of the world's largest communications holding companies, and they have 100,000 people employed. For this holiday campaign, instead of doing what they always do, which is send one holiday message to 100,000 people, what they decided to do instead was to send 100,000 personalized messages to each person, thanking them for the year's worth of service. So how did they do that? They used AI to make this happen. What AI did was they scrubbed the internet for information on the employees, which Dave said in the presentation, they did it in a quote-unquote non-creepy way. I don't know if you can avoid it not being creepy. Anyway, the AI matched the interests of that person with the content, so it felt personalized, which is kind of cool. Why do you think they did that? Why did they go through all this trouble just for their employees? Well, I talk a lot about triple wins in Relaunch You, and this is one of those rare triple wins. So the more interested I got in this, I Googled it. And when I Googled it, I found a win here. There were no fewer than 25 separate publications that had headlines about this holiday campaign, which is free media. And that was just on the first page of the results. So that's a big win. A lot of free media here. Then when I started reading the articles, I saw the second win, which is Publicis as a whole was positioning itself as an organization who understood how to utilize and scale AI with communications. And so this allowed Publicis to flex its innovation muscle. So that's two wins there, which isn't bad. And of course, this is the obvious one. The third win is the employees got something that was more personal than the usual kind of forgettable holiday junk that agencies do. So that's the triple win that was happening here. If you look at the stuff, there's nothing that's overly sales oriented. It's interesting content that the media and employees loved, and it created space between Publicis and everyone else that's in the field. So it's really nice stuff.